So earlier, nakabalik ako ng 30 meters. Yes. Thank God.
Okay.
Hello mga Merson, this is Mark, your Filipino merman. Yesterday after ng mermaid class ko, I decided to go to Anilao because I missed dagat and I also missed doing freediving for a while. As you all know, I'm teaching mermaiding most of the time sa city. So, puro ako deep pools and na-miss ko yung dagat. Kaya naman, bigla-bigla, pumunta na lang ako ng Anilao, sumakay ng bus, nag-commute papunta dito. And I'm here now in Coco Shallow Cabins, my home kapag ako ay nandito sa Anilao. And kaninang morning, I tried freediving again.
Shadow mga Merson. I'm back in the dagat as a free diver. Excited. Let's go dive again.
So kasama ko mag-dive ang Ocean Limits PH, Freediving Passion Academy, and si Ismo. So sa dive kanina, I'm not expecting anything para hindi rin ako ma-pressure. Sabi ko masaya na ako pag nakabalik ako ng 20 meters bilang 5 meters lang yung lagi kong dinadive sa Manila. But then, I reached 30 meters, back at 30 meters again. So, happy na ako doon. I mean, very happy na nagagawa ko pa rin siya kahit hindi na ako nakapagtubig palagi. So yeah, small wins, happy wins. Thank you so much for watching.